Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into Chime. Let's get straight into it. There are a couple of methods. The first method is direct deposits. So you can provide your Chime's account information to your employer or benefit provider, and then you can get your direct deposit information by logging into your Chime account and going to the Move Money tab, and then once select direct deposit, and you're gonna get your direct deposit information there, and just share your direct deposit information with your employer or benefits provider. Now the second method is the mobile check deposit. So just open the Chime mobile app and log into your account, and then you want to tap the Move Money tab, and then there you can select deposit a check and just follow the prompts. Now you're gonna need to take a clear photo of the check, including the front and the back. And once that's done, just review and confirm the deposit detail. The third method is transfer from an external bank account. Here you just want to log into your Chime account and then go to the Move Money tab and select link an external account. Then you want to verify the external account by confirming the test deposit that Chime is going to carry out on the account. And then you can just log into your Chime account, go to the Move Money tab and select transfer funds, and then you enter the amount that you want to transfer and confirm the details. The fourth method is cash deposits at retail location. So you can use the Chime mobile app to find a retail location near you that accepts cash deposits, and just bring your Chime card and cash to the retail location, and let the cashier know that you want to make a deposit to your Chime account. The fifth method is ATM deposits at select ATM. So you can use the Chime mobile app to find an ATM near you that accepts deposits. And then you want to insert your Chime card into the ATM and select the deposit option and just follow the prompts to get that set up. And then you want to insert the cash into the ATM. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to deposit funds into Chime. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.